In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new pin on Pinterest. To get started, log into your account on the Pinterest website. Once you're signed in and on the main screen, look to the top left area of the page and click the 3 horizontal line icon. This will open the main menu and give you access to Pinterest's creation tools. If you're new to the layout, take a quick moment to get familiar with this section because it's where you'll usually go when you want to make new content. From there, click Create in the top left corner of the page and then select Create Pin. This takes you to the pin creation screen where you'll build the post you want to share. Pinterest is designed to be very visual, so this page is focused on helping you upload your media and organize the information that goes with it. Next, upload the image or video file you've already saved on your device. You can do this by either dragging and dropping the file into the upload area or by clicking the arrow icon to browse your computer and select it manually. If you're using a file you prepared in advance, make sure it's clear, high quality, and sized appropriately for Pinterest so it looks its best once published. After your file uploads, move to the right side of the screen and fill in your pin details. This is where you'll add the important information that helps people understand what your pin is about. Be clear and accurate when completing these fields, since good details can make your content easier to discover and more useful to viewers. Take a moment to review everything before moving on, especially if you want your pin to look polished and professional. Once your details are complete, go to the drop-down menu at the top and choose the destination board where you want the pin to be saved. Picking the right board helps keep your content organized and makes it easier for your audience to find related posts. If you manage multiple boards, double-check that you've selected the correct one before publishing. Finally, click Publish. Your new pin will then be posted to the selected board and made available on Pinterest. Before ending, it's always a good idea to confirm that the pin appears correctly and that the image, video, and details all display the way you expect. And that's how to create a new pin on Pinterest from the website.